Hello darlings, hey doll friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking out these dolls that I bought beginning of the year. It's this Doctor, this Barbie Fashionista Ken, and this Chelsea. Let's go ahead. Okay, this is Dr. Barbie. From Barbie you can be anything, and here at the back they tell you what doctors are, what they do. Doctors are people who take care of medical people who take care of patients, and these are all the other Barbie you can be anything range. Well, let's take her out. She's been here forever, since the beginning of the year, and it's already August. Let's see what she's wearing. Dr. Barbie comes wearing this floral pink dress and the doctor's jacket on top. I'm gonna take it off. She's got some elastics on to keep her hair in a stethoscope in place. She does have hair, not a lot of hair, but she's okay. And okay, she's got the stethoscope. There's still some elastic here. Okay, let's take off her jacket and check out her dress. It's an open back. It's velcro at the back, meaning for easy take off and on. And she has these cute pumps. Aren't these cute? I love them so much. Flat shoes for the doctor. And so let's see if she can stand. No, she can't. I'll get a stand for her. There I've got my Barbie Looks signature looks stand for her to be able to stand by herself. Like I said, I'm opening 2 dolls now. We've got our Barbie Fashionista. It's number 156. He also has a shirt that opens at the back, and he's got these pants. It's not really denim, it's just cotton. He can stand, I believe so. He's got these white Ken original sneakers, obviously, and they come on and off easily. It's not a problem. And one thing I forgot to mention is that he's got the molded braids. I forgot to show that. Can stand. And we're gonna take out our cutie little Chelsea. She's been also in the box since beginning of the year. If I didn't buy her last year, I got her together with this Barbie Fashionista Ken. Her skirt comes off. She's got the 5 movements: her hands, her arms, her legs, and her head. And there's the skirt that comes off, and even the shoes, they are removable. I'm not gonna take them off. I'm just gonna let her stand here as well. Okay, so these are my 3 family Barbies. Okay, she can't stand by herself. Okay, I'll get the Dr. Barbie mommy, and this is the teenager. I forgot to mention that he is a scrawny little Ken, so that's why he's like a teenager. And we've got our little Chelsea here. If you have not checked out my Instagram, Faith Dollsville, please do so that you can see the role of these dolls. Here's our family. I added this Barbie Fashionista as the twin sister to the Ken doll. Please check out Faith Dollsville on Instagram. Thank you for watching. See you next time.